Have you ever looked at a tall building and thought, wow, how does that not fall down? Or crossed a big bridge and wondered how it holds up so many cars? Or seen a giant dam and asked, how can it hold back so much water? Well, the answer to all of that is structural engineering. What is structural engineering? Definition: structural engineering is the branch of engineering that deals with designing and building strong structures, like buildings, bridges, and dams, so they stay safe and don't fall apart. In simpler words, structural engineers are like the bodybuilders of engineering. They make sure everything is strong, balanced, and unshakable. Famous quote: engineers like to solve problems. If there are no problems handily available, they will create their own problems. Scott Adams. This is why structural engineers never get bored. Why do we need structural engineers? Imagine a house that breaks during a small wind, or a bridge that wobbles every time a truck drives over it. We don't want that. That's why structural engineers make sure buildings don't fall in earthquakes. Design bridges to carry heavy loads, cars, bikes, even trains. Build dams to hold back millions of liters of water safely. Their job is to make sure everything stands strong, even during bad weather, earthquakes, or heavy use. What do structural engineers actually do? Let's break it down with some real-life structures. 1. Buildings. They decide what materials to use, steel, concrete, or wood, and where to put columns, beams, and foundations to make sure the building stays upright. Example: think of the Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world. It's super tall but doesn't fall, thanks to amazing structural engineering. 2. Bridges. They calculate how much weight a bridge can handle. The bridge must be strong but also flexible enough to move a little when vehicles pass. Example: the Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco swings slightly with the wind on purpose so it doesn't break. 3. Dams. These hold back massive amounts of water, so they need to be rock solid. Structural engineers design dams to resist pressure and avoid breaking. Example: the Hoover Dam holds back the Colorado River and powers homes with electricity. Why should students watch this playlist? This playlist is for you if you love Legos, Minecraft, or building things. You're curious about how big structures stand. You want to learn how engineers keep us safe with clever designs. We'll cover everything from how to build a tiny house to the world's tallest skyscrapers. We'll also dive into how bridges are tested and how dams are made to last for 100 years or more. So whether you're a student, a teacher, or just a curious mind, this playlist is built just for you, block by block. If you want to learn how to build the future, design cities, or even create your own dream building, then hit that like, subscribe, and smash that bell icon, because we've got a whole world of learning just for you.